In this video real quick, we're going to be talking about MOG coin with the ticker symbol of MOG, which you can see right here. We are currently on CoinMarketCap to see how the project has been doing so far in the last 24 hours and also get to know the realistic price prediction for this project for the coming full altcoin season, which we're about entering, guys. Now, if today is your first time coming across the channel, before we move on, please subscribe, hit the bell icon and to get notified each time I drop a new video. And also please make sure you share this video to your friends and family so that their life as well would be transformed from this amazing project, guys. So MOG coin has the potential to meet up with our expectation. If you are looking out for a good entering opportunity, I think this is the right time. This is the good entering opportunity. Do not take anything I say here as financial advice. Calm down your deep research before you open into any project. Always wisely with the amount you can afford to lose. In the past 24 hours, over 81,000 traders has been liquidated so far in the crypto market. The total liquidation amount comes in at over $208 million, while the largest single liquidation order happens on Binance Exchange, that is on BTC/USDT, which is valued over $2.9 million. Highest liquidation amount so far in the crypto space is from the long position, which is over $160 million, while that of short position is over $48 million. We state clearly that sellers are in control, are in charge of the crypto market right now. It is currently held by over 312,000 traders right now as we speak, which is massive for this projects, guys. The community sentiment as well is looking super bullish at 88%, and this is to encourage those who are interested in the project and those who have already invested in the project, guys. MOG is already being listed on some major popular cryptocurrency exchange, which you can see right here that MOG is available on Uniswap V2, Coinbase Exchange, Binance Alpha. It's also available on Bybit Exchange, Bitget, Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, and as well we have the HTX exchange right here, and lastly the crypto.com exchange. So these are where it is mostly traded. So let's talk about the price prediction for MOG coin real quick. I don't intend making this video lengthy, guys. Now, for MOG coin to go as high as 100x from this place, we should be expecting a market cap which is over $5.7 billion market cap, which is very, very possible for this project, guys. And if we should be expecting such market cap, we should be expecting MOG coin to cancel 2 zeros from its current price, which will give us the price of 0.000015 for MOG coin, which is very, very possible, guys. And that would be the realistic price prediction for MOG coin in the coming full alt season, which we're about entering. So what you think about the price prediction, please kindly drop it in the comment section below. Now let's quickly check out the previous all-time low price and all-time high price of MOG coin real quick before we come to an end. As you can see right here, guys, according to CoinMarketCap data, we experienced an all-time high price that was a year ago, and as of then MOG coin price went as high as 0.504022, but right now has dropped down minus 96% to the current price which we are experiencing right now. And also the all-time low price was 3 years ago, and as of then MOG coin price was at 0.10164. Now, comparing the performance from its all-time low price to the current price, you can see that it has pumped as high as 894,000% to get to the current price which we are currently experiencing right now, which is very, very massive. So we still have a kind of huge potentials on this project, guys. Look out for MOG coin because it's going to shock a lot of people soon. Position yourself when the opportunity is still at your doorstep. That will be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day.